How to update YouTube Studio app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your YouTube Studio application. In order to do so, you will need to first go to the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. And if you are using the Apple device, you will need to go to the App Store that is available on your Apple device. Here I am using the Android device. So I'm going to open my Google Play Store. Simply open your Google Play Store and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once after logging into your account, you will land on this home page. Now here, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be presented with the search bar in this page at the very top. Now simply tap on the search bar and there type in YouTube Studio. Once you type in YouTube Studio, you will also get the search suggestions below. Now once you have entered the keyword, press on the search icon of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be presented with the search results. From here, find the authentic YouTube Studio application and then tap on the app icon to open it. Now inside, look for the update button. Once you find the update button, you will need to simply tap on the update button which will be available at the right side. And then wait until the app gets up to date. And once the YouTube Studio application is up to date, you will need to simply tap on the open button right here and then open your YouTube Studio application. There you will be able to unlock new features now. But if you didn't find the update button in this interface, that means you have already updated your application. If that's the case, then you might need to wait for the update in order to update the application. So by following these steps, you should be able to update your YouTube Studio app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.